Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to turn a photo into a cartoon in Canva. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering how do you turn a photo into a cartoon in Canva. So we all know Canva is a great platform here to actually edit photos, but again, there are going to be some limitations on what you could do here. But the great thing about Canva here is you could actually use an app. In this case, you could actually convert it into a cartoon. In this case, go ahead and open up your Canva account here, access your project, and access the photo that you want to actually turn into a cartoon. We already have this project here. So what we need to do is we need to go to the bottom left here. We want to go to apps. I want to go to search Canva apps here. Just type in a cartoon. And from here, you should be able to see different apps. And we want to use this one. But before selecting it, make sure to select the photo first. Then you want to convert. Click on Cartoonify here. Click on Open. And in this case, you should be able to start using it. So let's just wait for it to load up. So in this case, this might take a few seconds. But once it actually open up, let's go and click on Cartoonify and replace. It's going to actually start the Cartoonify image process here. So this might take a few seconds. So let's just wait for it. But once it's actually done, you should be able to see the updated version here on your screen. So it's almost done here and here. So as you can see, we now have a cartoon version of that photo. So Cartoonify has successfully uploaded. You uploaded the media to your library. Now in this case, yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.